So we took a nap after arriving in Royan city, and we are going to eat lunch because we are so hungry. And we decided to eat kebab, which is one of the most delicious and traditional dishes in Iran, especially north of Iran. So let's go and find a restaurant to eat something.
There's like one time where I'm like very aggressive.
That's tomorrow.
I guess I'm standing for
John, help us out.
So now we are visiting local bazar, which many locals come here and sell their stuff. You can find anything here, literally anything here. You can find clothes, vegetables, bags, and traditional stuff. And I will show you some of these items.
سبب بگیر
من عمرك وفونس
I have decided to rent a house in the north of Iran in Royan area because I can see the sea and the jungle at the same time, and I really like this area because it's near where I'm living in Tehran, and it's about 4 hours riding, and I have a short ride to here, and it's in the city, and if I'm spending some time by myself, I prefer to be around people. I rent this house in a complex of other houses, and it's the first time that I'm spending a whole night in a travel by myself. It's something interesting in this house. Behind the house, it's a really beautiful garden, and I will show you the garden. I see something scary. What's that? Let's see what's happening. Oh, I can see a nice patio in there. It's really cool. Aren't these little compared to the street? Too big. show you inside the house and see what's waiting for us. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that it's very warm here. It's unexpected, and none of my clothes were profitable for this kind of weather, and I bought this from the local shop today, and it's really comfy, and it's really feel good when you are wearing this. So this is a bathroom. Hi. This is the bathroom too. Let me turn on the light. It has shower too. Okay. Let's go inside. This is the hall of the house. It has a television and this is a split, I think, and you can see the furniture here. There is a nice backyard here. Oh, it's really beautiful in the morning, but it's really scary in midnight. For example, last night when I was walking in home, I felt something is looking at me at right here, and it freaks me out, and it takes 2 minutes that I understand this was a cat, a scary cat, which was running away and standing behind the windows to look inside the home, and it really creeps me out. This is the balcony. I will show you later. This is the dining table, and this is the kitchen of the house. And this is the oven, and it has one refrigerator and another window. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers. And let me show you the it's really peaceful in the mornings. And it might be interesting for you. This was a big house for me because it had 3 bedrooms. Let me show you the first one. This is the first bedroom. I was talking about this. It has 2 doors. One here that lead you the hall, and one here. It has 2 doors, and it's really strange. It has a window, a closet, and nice ceiling. They are all made of beautiful woods. All the house. The second bedroom is here, and it is furnished in blue sides, blue blinds, and it's really nice. Okay, and the last bedroom is here. This is the biggest one, and you can see the air conditioning and the ceiling. And the closet, and it has its own bathroom too. Let me turn on the light. Where is it? Yes, there. has a nice top and it's really clean and nice. I'm using this bathroom. Feels better. That's where I'm staying in these 2 days. It looks really nice and clean and hope we have some fun here. So here you can see a way and a road where inside the complex, and you can walk here and it's really peaceful and you can see other people, houses, and you can ride bicycle here or skating or something like that. Wow, this house is really beautiful. I think its architecture style is in Morocco style. And it's really beautiful. Can you see the inside of the house? They totally spend a lot of money on creating a house like this in an expensive complex like this. I think they are really rich people. It is like a total palace. It's really beautiful. I wish I could have this house for myself and walking down the aisle every day. With fancy dresses, like the movie Great Gatsby. It's like the house of Gatsby. And you can see a beautiful house here. I heard about this complex that there are houses of very rich people and they create fancy houses for spending the weekend here. And something interesting I heard about this place that not every two houses look the same as the other houses and they are really expensive. I will tell you the prices I heard about this place. As I'm walking around this complex, I think that the first impression I got from here that it's a lot of scary was wrong because there are lots of people are living here and their houses, the door of their houses usually open and it's like this is a safe place that people don't close the doors even. I mean, they don't bother themselves to closing the doors and it's really safe here. And I think they are really rich. And this is another beautiful house. I think it's really expensive. I want to share another fact I recently found out about this place that there is, cars like Maserati and Porsche and Mercedes are really expensive in Iran, and having that type of cars is not really easy for normal people or some rich people. And it's really strange for me that someone told me some of the landlords of these houses have lots of these cars, that they only put one Porsche in this parking only for riding inside the complex. And it's really strange for me that somebody don't need that expensive car in Tehran and in their own and normal life, and they only put there in the houses only for riding in the complex. Isn't that weird? What's it like in your country and in your culture? That's what I'm talking about. I heard about this place and the owner of this place. You can see a Porsche here, and I can see any human here. And I heard that the owner of this place had this Porsche only for riding to inside the complex. And look at this car, seriously. It's here owned by all by himself. Is it fair? And you can see a playground here where you can play basketball and volleyball, and beside of that football here. And one of my friends told me that in every holiday they bring a DJ here and they're always partying here. I had the purpose to show you the whole complex, to see the houses and how people usually live here. It's really in another level, and it's nice and interesting for me to watch their houses. Hope you enjoy this vlog too. See you later. Bye.